Okay, so now we're looking at the lower arm. So you see the hand right here. There's the thumb, so radius side here, pinky, ulna side here. I like to start with this big chunky muscle right here. It's a big fat muscle on the thumb side. It's called the Brachial Radialis. And the muscle you see here that goes at an angle is the pronator teres. So Brachial Radialis, thumb side, pronator teres right there. And then this muscle right here that you see that goes, if you follow it down, you see the tendon stop right there at the wrist. So this is called the Flexor Carpi Radialis. It's a flexor muscle because it causes the hand to flex or pull in when it shortens or contracts. It stops at the carpal, so carpi, and it's on the thumb side, so radialis. So again, Flexor Carpi Radialis. Then this muscle right here, if you follow its tendon down, it comes all the way down to the hand and radiates out to the palm. So this is called the palmaris for palm, longus. And then the other muscle you want to know on this side, adjacent to the palmaris longus, this guy right here that runs on the side, this is referred to as the Flexor Carpi Ulnaris because it's on the pinky side or on the side of the forearm. Okay, let me flip them around. Okay, and so on the back, there we go. On the back, I like to start with this muscle right here. This muscle, if you follow it down, the tendons reach out to the fingers. So this is referred to as the Extensor Digitorum. Extensor because it causes the hand to extend. Digitorum because the tendon goes out to the fingers. So I just want to put this on your radar. You have the Extensor Digitorum in the arm. You have an Extensor Digitorum longus in the leg. So you want to be sure and keep those two straight. Okay, now when you move to this side of that Extensor Digitorum, you have the Extensor Carpi Ulnaris because it's on the pinky side. And then two more muscles to know, and I have to turn it a bit this way for you to see it. You have this muscle and this muscle. These are both extensor muscles. They are the Extensor Carpi Radialis. This one's the Extensor Carpi Radialis brevis, and the one right up here is the Extensor Carpi Radialis longus. The difference being the length of the tendon that connects them to the carpals. So this one's a bit higher up, so its tendon's longer. So it's the Extensor Carpi Radialis longus. And this one's the Extensor Carpi Radialis brevis. So let me just go over those with you again really quickly. Starting here, you have the Extensor Digitorum. On the pinky side, you have the Extensor Carpi Ulnaris. On the thumb side, Extensor Carpi Radialis brevis. Here, Extensor Carpi Radialis longus. So those are the muscles of the forearm.